Disconnect the AC adapter. Power on the computer and tap the F1 key to enter the BIOS. Press the right arrow key to go to the configuration menu. Press the down arrow key to select the power submenu and press enter. Select the disable built-in battery option and press enter. Assure that yes is highlighted and press enter again. The system will power down and the built-in battery is disabled. Insert a straightened paper clip into the hole on the SIM card tray. Remove the tray. Loosen 5 captive screws. Using a non-metallic pry tool, loosen the clips along the rear of the cover. Lift the cover from the system. Disconnect the cable from the system board. Remove 5 screws. Lift the battery from the system. Disconnect the power button, camera, and USB cables. Disconnect the LCD cable. Disconnect the antenna cables from the wireless LAN card. Remove the antenna cables from the guide. Remove a screw from the bracket and lift the bracket from the system board. Disconnect the speaker, coin cell battery, keyboard, and touchpoint cables from the system board. Disconnect the fingerprint reader and trackpad cables from the system board. Remove 6 retaining screws. Carefully lift the system board from the chassis. Disconnect the cable from the USB card. Remove 2 screws. Remove the card. Remove the screw. Lift the power button card from the system. Remove the antenna cables from the guides. Remove 3 screws from each hinge. Holding the hinges, tilt the base cover assembly up and remove it. Lift the battery from the adhesive backing and remove it. Disconnect the antenna cable from the NFC card. Disconnect the NFC cable. Lift up the card from the adhesive backing and remove it. Disconnect the cable from the fingerprint reader. Remove the screw. Lift the bracket. Remove the fingerprint reader. Disconnect the cable from the trackpad. Remove 4 screws. Lift up on the palm rest and carefully remove the trackpad and antenna cable. Remove 2 screws. Lift the speaker from the system and remove the cable from the guide. Remove 2 screws from the second speaker. Remove the speaker assembly from the system. Lift the protective mylar from the adhesive backing. Disconnect the cable from the card reader. Remove 3 screws. Lift the card reader from the system. Place the card reader into the system. Install 3 screws. Connect the cable to the card reader. Secure the cable with the protective mylar. Place the speaker into the system. Install 2 screws. Install the cable into the guide. Place the speaker onto the post and install 2 screws. Thread the NFC antenna cable through the hole on the palm rest and place the trackpad into position. Lower the palm rest and install 4 screws. Connect the trackpad cable. Place the NFC card into the system using the adhesive backing. Connect the NFC cable. Connect the antenna cable. Place the fingerprint reader into the system. Place the bracket onto the reader and install the screw. Connect the cable to the fingerprint reader. Place the battery into the system using the adhesive backing. Place the power button card into the system. Install the screw. Place the system board into the chassis, I/O side first. Lower the system board and free any trapped cables. Install 6 screws. Connect the fingerprint reader and trackpad cables to the system board. Connect the touch point, keyboard, coin cell battery, and speaker cables to the system board. Place the bracket over the I/O and install a screw. Place the card into the system using the tabs for alignment. Install 2 screws. Connect the cable to the USB card. Place the base cover assembly onto the hinges and close it onto the LCD unit. Install 3 screws into both hinges. Install the antenna cables into the guides. Install the LCD cable into the guide and connect it to the system board. Install the antenna cables into the guides. Install the LED camera cable into the guide and connect it to the system board. Place the battery into the system. Install 5 screws. Connect the cable to the system board. Place the bottom cover onto the system front edge first. Tighten 5 captive screws. Insert the SIM card tray and press it in until it sits flush.